Alright guys, hello, and it is afternoon. Holy dolly, it's already past 12 o'clock. Jeez, the weekend does go fast, doesn't it? Alright, 13th of June 2020, there's going to be an end of week update. So what I want to talk about first is obviously the Aussie dollar. I was talking about this, it did break down after it got to about 70, 50 or so. What was the high there? 64. And I didn't immediately get in short. Was waiting. There was an opportunity probably around here where it started turning over. Again, as you have reported, I didn't get in. I did make a video, I think it was yesterday, as well. I was talking about my thesis on why I actually didn't, because I saw this candle developing. But my thought process was that it was still in a bit of a range. And I was like, well, the market's still a bit unclear in regards to what the equities are doing. So I just, hit the brakes and just was like, you know what, I'm going to leave this for now. It's pretty much at, well, if I got in at the close, it would have been, so it's not quite at the entry really, but it is chopping about now, and it's like, it's a bit messy. Now let's just see how the S&P 500 actually closed as well, and how it ended for the week. Actually, gold, whilst it's there, I'm just going to sit my one. I don't know why it continues to do this. Okay, so gold did ease off a little bit. It's really been trying to push higher. That's the 1 hour time frame. So you can see it got to 44, got a little bit lower there at 43, early 43s. S&P. S&P's a bit so actually. Let's just see the week. See the week. Okay, so that's that. So it it was trying to close that gap. Obviously, it was looking. Look at those 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks of solid gains. So it's interesting. In my opinion, just with how things have been so crazy, it's probably just a pullback, and it's probably going to continue higher, honestly. But we'll see. How did it close on the day? So Thursday was the considerable sell-off, and then it sort of held up there. Okay. All right. Let's have a look at the euro. Euro is still just holding up. So I'm going to use Monday as a bit of a day of seeing what the US dollar wants to do, but it still seems that it's just unclear, like that right there is to suggest that that's probably going to go long, but we'll see. See what the pound does as well. A little bit of back tightness here, guys. I'm sorry. We'll bring up the pound as well. So there are a few things adding up here to suggest that the US dollar might be finding some strength. I don't actually have the index up here. Euro pound. Sorry about the background noise as well. Cooling a little bit. It is range bound, so we'll see what it wants to do. USD CAD. Again, look, it is interesting. It sort of bounced. Oil sort of cooled off a little bit as well. What is oil? I don't actually have oil up here on the charts, unfortunately. But it's right now. It's either going to be the risk-off sentiment holds, or it switches back to risk-on, and that's been driving things in regards to the US dollar. So I just say stand by. I'd love to see the Aussie dollar turn over. That would be fantastic, as well as maybe the euro. But we'll see. You've got to be fluid. You can't just be like stuck in this, stubbornness. And if you do, it's just gonna, it will just end up driving you, to just frustration. So I would say stand by. Yeah, that right there. Let's actually see the weekly candle. Let's see what's happening there. We'll see. It could be the start of something or not, but as you can see, it has not wanted to get over 70 odd cents. I think the high there it got to was 70, 64, 70, 13. So yeah, we'll continue to wait. More updates to come, guys. So I guess this is probably the watch list video as well. I might be able to make another video update tomorrow. There's a couple of actual stocks that I'm looking at getting involved in as well. So that will be a separate video to the watch list for Forex. So, all right. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.